Camosun College has invested in technology to provide a structured and secure way for instructors in semester-based programs to view letters of academic accommodation for students with disabilities in their courses. This technology is called Clockwork, which is used across North America in higher education to coordinate and communicate academic accommodations. Please note that due to the enrollment structure and timelines in trades programs at Camosun, a different method of connecting trades instructors with letters of accommodation will continue to occur. This tutorial shows you how to log into the Course Instructor Portal to review the academic accommodation letters shared with you in courses you are responsible for. You will receive an email from the student's CAL instructor notifying you when a letter is ready for you to review. Click the link in the email to log in. Use your Camosun C number and password. Please be patient as it can take up to 30 seconds to log in and submit information to Clockwork. Click the Review HTML letter button to read the student's letter. When you have read the letter, click the checkbox at the bottom and submit. Once submitted successfully, the page will update with the details. Click the Accommodation Letters button at the top of the page. Be sure you have selected the correct term in the drop-down list. This will take you to a page listing all the letters that have been shared with you by your students and the statuses. This is helpful in knowing the letters you have read and those that have yet to be reviewed. At any time, you can view the letters you have already read by clicking View Letter. I'll speed up a clip for you of me reviewing and reading and confirming the remaining letters. This is what it will look like on the student side of the system. If you click the Courses button at the top, it takes you to a list of courses that you teach and letters that have been shared for each course. Be sure you have selected the correct term in the drop-down list. Click on Accommodations Letter on the right column to view letters shared for each course. There may be courses shown where there are no letters of academic accommodation listed, because either there are no students registered with CAL in your course, or students who have decided not to request accommodations. This may be because your course is universally designed, mitigating the need for accommodations, or the student is not experiencing any barriers to date. Course instructors are welcome at any time to log directly into the Instructor Portal to review and confirm accommodation letters. The letters listed in the system are the same ones referenced in the notice email received when a student shares an accommodation letter with you. Simply navigate to the CAL website to the section about academic accommodation letters and exams and follow the links to the Instructor Portal. We hope you find this video tutorial is helpful in accessing your student's letter of academic accommodation.